Jock Itch. Introduction. When your groin area gets sweaty and doesn't dry, it becomes easy for the fungi that cause jock itch to grow there. Select true or false. Correct. Germs that cause jock itch are always on your skin, but your body fights them off if your skin is dry and clean. When your groin area gets sweaty and doesn't dry, it becomes easy for the fungi to grow. Jerry's groin and inner thighs itch. His skin is also red and peeling. Could Jerry have jock itch? Select yes or no. Correct. Itching on the groin and inner thighs and red and peeling skin may be signs of a problem. Jerry might have jock itch. Jock itch can spread from person to person. Select true or false. Correct. Jock itch can spread from person to person. Sharing infected towels or clothes can spread the fungus. Can jock itch usually be treated at home? Select yes or no. Correct. You can usually treat jock itch at home. There are over-the-counter creams, powders, and sprays that can help. You should also keep the area clean and dry. You can prevent jock itch by choose one of the following options. 1. Changing your underwear every day. 2. Not sharing towels with others. 3. Keeping your groin area dry. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.